awesome. Wait, you're missing something. Good job. Your other eye. Gosh, you're not losing your eyeballs. I gotta hot glue them on. What do you think, Rocky? You're in my seat. You're stealing my seat. My seat. All sorts of different things, outdoors things, and basically the artisan adventures I have been on. And if you like off-grid stuff, build stuff, nomad stuff, anything like that, my channel, I've changed the name. It is The Impromptu Life. Again, that's The Impromptu Life. Please subscribe and follow. We'll have some fun. I've pre-prepped a couple pieces, and I think I'm going to work on I always say this, like, this is what I'm going to work on next, and then I have an epiphany and go in a different direction, but I've given a lot of thought to it, and I believe I'm going to do another raven with some gold pop surreal piece here. I think I'm going to go outside with the Kit Kats here for a little bit. And also, I do have one coming. I believe, don't quote me on it. So I was not able to find the foam that I normally use for the packaging of my art. And so I'm going to keep looking for that because I'm making a model, and I started the model with cardboard, and I might finish it with cardboard so people can see they can do a model of a building. If they ever want to kind of see how it would look, they could do it with cardboard. So then I was kind of like, well, I should just do it with cardboard then. But cardboard, I even cut myself, is so much harder to work with than the modeling foams and stuff like that. So, or woods. But hopefully I'll find some more foam here soon and cut back on the time that it takes for cutting. But I will be showing you that process probably, so keep a lookout for that video. Meanwhile, we're just gonna do a little painting. I'm almost done with this pop surreal piece I've been working on, and I do have some dragonfly glaze on the the pearlescent ones. But I think I'm gonna do the iridescent medium over it and then go back over it with the dragonfly glaze because they're not quite standing out quite the way I would like them to in this piece. But this is it's 3 white ravens, 1, 2, and 1 hidden up there. Pop surreal piece is almost done.
Okay, that I like. That's much better. Yeah, that is really cool. Awesome.